Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Rudy from the IB3C. Okay, now I want to compare these two rulers. This is steel rulers and this is plastic rulers. Now, the primary function of this ruler means for measuring, and the secondary function is drawing tool to draw straight line. Okay, now we go to the features. It has many size, shorter or longer, and it's rectangular in shape and lengthwise. It have many colors. Okay, the strengthness of these steel rulers is it is not easily be broken because it's made of steel, and the weakness of these steel rulers is more dangerous and cannot see through it. Okay, the strengthness of this plastic ruler, we can see through it, so we can know where the line is. And the weakness is it easily be broken. We do like this and it broken. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video.